craft a story that I feel confident in telling because I know it's going to land, rather than just, I feel like I was more rambling.
What really helped me do is reposition my communication, really thinking through my audience better and really teasing out my ideas in a way that my audience could understand more naturally.
To find kind of that golden thread, like what has been a reoccurring theme in my life that would help me to put my message together.
Dig up and kind of show some jewels that I didn't even really realize the connection. And you helped me find the connection in my story.
Always be that person on the cuff. And like I said, if it was something that I wasn't too versed in, I would always watch it. Now, I'm focused on preparing for my presentation.
Because what you've taught me has allowed me to be prepared. We had an opportunity to speak in front of a company of 4,000 people on 3 days' notice. And that would have terrified me before you and I talked. But now I've literally got a signature speech in my pocket.
And that was a huge piece too. How do I speak with people for 90 minutes and then also turn it into conversations afterwards and lead it into phone calls?
It was phenomenal. We got some good results there. We got clients from that.
But I think your ability to really help me reframe and understand audience and messaging.
I did a webinar, I think 3 weeks after we got started, just with what we'd covered in 3 weeks. And I made $4,000 the first night that I redid my webinar. And I recorded those webinars and had them out playing. And I've had other sales come in that I think we're up to about 20 grand in sales from just those 2 webinars and 2 speaking engagements.
But you helped me to figure out how to find events. I landed multiple events using your system and your guidance.
Where before I could put up a post and maybe somebody would engage with it. Maybe they would read it and move on. I just wouldn't know. Now I'm getting 30, 40, 50 people on every single thing that I put up.
And then you showed how to reach out for gigs and then putting together my first 90-minute workshop. Again, I was scared to even do 30 minutes, but there at the end of it, I had a 90-minute workshop and it was very successful. And
I wasn't speaking as regularly. I didn't have kind of a set story, and you helped me to accomplish that. Since working with you, I have been speaking probably 3 times more than I had before. In fact, I'm trying to drill this thing in